YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, the link will be down below, my affiliate, and if it's a website, their link will be down below. Both are safe to click. All you gotta do is check them out, and we will see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But if you like this one, they got a sale going on right now for it. All you gotta do is click that link. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Coming from Creality Falcon. Laser cutter and engraver. Creality Falcon A1. Dun, 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 dun. Multiple security monitoring. Look at this beast. Should be very interesting. Kind of looks like a record player. Here we go. And now we got two boxes. One is the main unit. And I think this is accessories. I don't know, it was shipped at the same time. But it was shipped in a different package. So there's package 1 and package 2. Let's get into it. And let's see what this is all about. Definitely excited. This looks like a lot nicer than the one I used to have. So definitely curious to see how this one works. Especially with the enclose. That's going to be sweet. Really cool. You get extra wood. Oops, sorry about that. A couple pieces, I think. So that's extra material to give it a test run. Which we'll probably do at the end of this video. But there we go. Now look at this beauty. Ooh-wee. We got some protection going on there. That's a good thing. This thing's like that. Bam. Really nice. Got the little logo right there. And then inside you got the power adapter and some cables. So it looks pretty big though. Definitely excited to see what I could do with this thing. And in this one we got the main laser or camera. Either or. Got a lot of stuff to hook up. It'll be fun tonight. We got some extra wood down there, so that's always a good thing. And now we got the everything in the bottom out. Look at that chain. It's a thick boy. And there's the laser right down there. So that's probably the camera. But yeah, this thing is going to be a fun thing to do. There we go. And here's the extra board you get. There we go. And then of course, you get some more wires. Oh boy. This is yep. So we got the manual right there. Definitely gonna need that. The power brick. That's my dog snoring right there. And the laser or the eye with the camera in this bag. So we got it. Alright YouTubers, here we go. We got the program running. It is listed down below in the description. Our website, which is safe to use. So equipment testing. We got the lights on. Ooh baby. Camera is ready. And that's right up top. We got the board in place. Gonna seal the deal. Now we're gonna start. I think we're just gonna do the F in a second. Yep, that's about right. Oh, here we go. Not sure what's going on here. Okay. Now it says focus. Hope I did it right. Whoa. It's a little smoky. Pretty cool. Oh, there's the little F. I need to get an exhaust fan. That's one thing I definitely need. It doesn't smell that bad, but if I do more projects, definitely gonna need. But this is so cool how the plastic is UV safe or laser safe, so it won't hurt your eyes. Yeah, it's almost done. This is my second time using one of these machines, but nothing like this machine. I had a smaller version, but I'm liking this one a lot. And they do have a new one out, so you can definitely check that out. Look at that perfect F. Oh yeah. What's it gonna do? Hey. Test is done. Now I do got extra wood, so I could hook it up. Well, there is a way to check the calibration. See this program right here? This is where you could figure out all the dimensions and everything you need. Camera, preview. Let me see if preview works. No valid data output is off. Confirm. No valid data found. Connected camera layers. Okay. You can trace photo. Confirm. Camera. Disconnect. You can always upload your files too. So if you have your logos, you could do text. And this text is right there. You can have your company's name. I think it's safe. But make sure when your project's done to shut it off and everything before you grab it. Just in case, you know. Yeah, I don't really smell that bad right now. I smell a little bit of the wood burning, but it smells like wood shop days. I miss those days. Oh yeah, it smells good though. You gotta do the shapes of the moon, hearts. A little tiny heart right there. Let's see what happens. Oh no. Oh no. I did it inside there. Oops. So there you have it, guys. And there's other videos on this thing too, so definitely check those out. But you can see it works perfect. Anyone could use it, just like I did. And you guys be safe. Have a good night. Good. We'll be back.